Hello dear students and welcome back. In today's video I will show you how we can create for loops, right? So for loops are a method by which we repeat action over and over again for certain amount of time or for infinity, right? So sometimes maybe you want to run an action for a long, very long period of time and keep repeating this, like for example, listening to a service, scanning subdomains. You want to do that periodically. So many ways you can do that. Anyway, let me show you how we can create a for loop, because there are three ways. Actually, there are many ways, but here I will show you three ways we can use or create a for loop. So first one is for I in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can add as many numbers as you want. Not just numbers, you can put strings. So I, O, P, H, and so on. Do echo I, and done. Let me save. Open a new tab here and run the script. And as you can see, I loop through the sequence and get the output here. So for each one, I have an output. And based on that, I can do some action. Maybe if these are IP addresses, I can ping them, scan them, and so on. So this is the first one. So I will comment this one actually. Let me comment it down so can create another one. Because as you know, I want to keep this for you because you can find all these scripts along with the videos. I provide them for you guys. Anyway, the other way is to create a range. So I will say for I in range from 1 to maybe 5. Then do echo I done. Right? So here we are creating a range from 1 to 5. So this will be replaced with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right? So let's do that. And as you can see, 1 to 5. And also let me comment this one out. So like this. Right. And the final way we can do that, we can say for and then create initializer. So we'll say I equal 0, right? I less than or equal 5, and I plus plus. Close this. Do echo I done. Let me save and run this, and I get an error here. Let me see why. So basically, I think it could be that we need sometimes spaces, as you know. Shell is weird, yeah, but that's fine. So let me try this, save, and run, and still getting an error here. Interesting. So more spaces, save, and run. Also error. Let me go down here, paste this code. So this one works, and it is exactly the same. So I wonder why this is not working. Let me see. Let me just copy this one. Not copy. Just comment this. Run here. And it works perfectly fine. So I want to think with you guys and try to debug the problem here. we'll remove the comment from all these lines, and maybe add here, change this to C. Maybe it can be the problem. It is complaining about I, so I will just remove I for that. Add C, run, and still complaining. Interesting. Maybe let's do like similar to the one below. Let's add a few spaces, save, run, and still not working. All right, so I'll just delete this one here. I believe this is a bug. This is not a problem with my code actually. So anyway, this is the other way. Oh no, I believe I just realized my mistake, guys. So let me do that one more time. All right, let's do that again. For I equals 0, I less than or equal 5, and I plus, right? Then do echo I, then none. Now this was the problem, right? Now notice here we have this space, so I believe this is the problem. So let me save and run this, and yes, it works. So this is actually the problem. I've got a space here. Now actually this is bad thing. Now let me tell you something. Bash scripting is very awesome, and it is a must skill for any ethical hacker. But let me tell you from my experience as programmer, these mistakes, these things should be forgiven. I think that Linux should be updated to remove these spaces or add them if necessary, and not make it the responsibility of the programmer. All other programming languages do this, so why the heck Linux not doing this? But this is how things is done, so you need to be careful about these little mistakes so you don't get into problems. But anyway, that's it for me, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.